Well, hello there, friends. This is Gina Scalpone. Welcome to my weekly Ask Me Anything show. Today, we're going to talk about surveys versus reviews. I'm going to share a little behind the scenes how I collect money-making testimonials. So let's talk about this for a moment, my friends. So, should you get surveys from your clients or should you send out reviews? The answer is ding, 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 surveys. You want to get surveys from your clients. Why would you want to get a survey instead of just asking your client to leave a review for you on something like Yelp? This is the thing. You have no control over your testimonials or your reviews on a platform like Yelp that you don't own. Right now, you might have amazing testimonials on Yelp, but Yelp could close down tomorrow and there goes all of your testimonials. So if you have some really cool testimonials on something like Yelp, copy and paste all of them and add them to the notes section of your phone so you never lose them. The second reason why you don't want to just rely on a source or an app like Yelp is they don't charge you anything right now to have those testimonials on there, but they might in the future. So I would highly recommend you send out surveys to your clients. And I'm going to explain a little bit about how it looks in my business. The good thing about sending out a survey to your client is you can ask them specific questions on what you want them to answer. So I'm going to give you a few examples of my own business of a survey I sent out to a client. So let me just break this down for you, my friend. Why should you even get them from your clients in the first place? Two specific reasons. Number one, you can course correct. Let's say you're sending out surveys to a handful of clients and they're referencing something like, I really wish Gina did the keratin treatment, or I wish that she sold this type of product, or I wish that she worked on Saturdays. Let's say you're getting feedback from them. You can course correct. Either you can just take what they have to say and say, okay, I'm not going to do that though. Or you could say, you know what, that's a good idea. I'm so glad I sent out this survey to my client. So now I know I can adjust my business accordingly. The second reason is you want feedback from your clients so you can share on social media, that social proof that you are amazing. I know you're amazing. You know you're amazing, but you want to share feedback from other clients to showcase your expertise and show that you're amazing. So you can put them on a blog. You can have them on your website. You could add them on social media. If you send out weekly or monthly newsletters to your clients, you can showcase your survey feedback from your clients on there. How do you go about asking your clients for surveys? Okay, this is exactly how I do it in my business, so I want you to listen up, friends. If you're multitasking, come back to me, because I'm going to make it really simple for you. I'm going to show you how I put systems in place in my own business. I teach this inside Glamhairus Academy, my signature course, this whole idea, this whole concept, but I'm just giving you a bite size today. So every Monday, I look back at the week before and I reach out to at least 3 clients that are either new clients of mine, they've never taken a survey from me before, never answered questions about their experience with me, or something really fun like a dramatic hair makeover that I think it'd be really fun to share online to showcase my expertise. So I reach out to them and I make sure that their hair is okay. I'm like, how is your hair? It's great to see you last week. How fun is that new color? Okay. Then I ask them if I can send a survey over. And when they say yes, I said, what's the email I should send it to? I send it via email. And then I make a note for the following week to make sure I got the survey back from them. If I haven't gotten it back, I just reach out again and I just say, hey, Stephanie, did you get the survey I sent you last week? They'll usually say, oh my gosh, I forgot, I'll get it out to you, or they've already sent it to me, so it's no big deal. And then I make a separate list of all the people that have sent me the survey back. So I'm very organized. I put systems in place. I have notes on my notes. So I'd highly recommend that's how you do it. So here's an example of how powerful it is to get feedback from your client with a specific question. So this is an example from my own business. I sent this to my darling client, Meredith. She had been getting cut and color, and she bought extensions for me. I did her hair for her wedding party. She had 2 weddings. So her wedding here in Chicago, I did her hair for her. She bought accessories for me. She was an awesome, ideal client. So much fun to work with. I do her color and cut and keratin regularly. She's awesome and amazing. I've known her for over 10 years. So this is what one of the questions was in the surveys that I send to her. Was the appointment what you expected it to be? If not, please explain. And this is what Meredith said. Yes, Gina's been doing my hair, cut, color, keratin extensions, special occasion styles, you name it, she's done it. At salons, at her home, at my home. I knew how great Gina was with me, so I was tickled to observe her interactions with my friends at my wedding. Gina is so inclusive and warm to everyone. She took the time to listen to what everyone wanted, not just me, the bride. She was also super fast. How amazing is that feedback? I'm going to give you one more example of another question I sent her and her answer, and show you how I showcased my expertise and her feedback online. The other question was, how would you rate the quality of your service on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest? I always love those little 1 to 10ers. 11, she said. I thought everyone's hair, especially my own, LOL, looked amazing when we left the site. But everyone's hair still looked amazing at midnight after hours of dancing. My friend Anna swears she's never had an updo stay in until she had this one. And we're 35 years old, so that's a lot of updos. How amazing is that feedback? One more thing I sent her, one more question. Do you have any additional comments? She said, yes, if you're on the fence about clip-in extensions, get them. Totally worth the money, no debate on that. How amazing is that feedback? Usually my survey questions are about 8 questions I send out. So those are just 3 of them that I send to a client. How amazing is that feedback, friends? I could talk about my clip-in extensions with the feedback. I could talk about my bridal party, a specialness that I have, my expertise. I could talk about accessorizing. I could talk about so much. She gets color and cut for me. She's an ideal client. She's so much fun. I said, thank you so much, Meredith, for your feedback. Do you mind if I share some of this and tag you on social? Then I asked to get some of her professional pictures back from her wedding. And I showcased her several times, and I put in quotes some of the things that she said about her experience with me. So this is why I want you to get feedback from your clients. Don't worry, my friend, I'm going to give you a specific way to make it really easy for you to get feedback from your clients. So here's a posting idea, because I know all of you are always wondering and asking me about how do I show up on social. Every Monday, if you get in this habit and you get surveys, send out surveys to your clients and get feedback from your clients, or even just take the testimonials that you already have on something like Yelp, let's say, taken each one every Monday. Post client feedback on your social media accounts. Tag your client and share a picture of her. Of course, ask for her permission first, but you could literally have something to post every single Monday if you had feedback. Now, that information that I just got back from Meredith not that long ago, I could break that up into like showcasing her feedback once a month for the next 3 or 4 months, because I could talk about a different topic of each one of the ideas in the survey feedback that she gave me. So I want you to be specific and thoughtful with the questions you send to your clients, and then steal the few that I send to my clients. But I want to make it really, 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 really easy for you. I want you to grab my free guide, go to glamhairus.com/survey, and you'll get a survey template of all the questions that I send out to my clients. Steal all of them, steal a few of them, make some your own. Feel free. I'm going to share the link in the notes right when I get off this training. But I really want you to consider getting surveys from your clients. Don't get the testimonials that are on Yelp, because you might lose them or they might start charging you. But I want you to get feedback from your clients. I promise it's going to make you feel really good. It's going to be a big game changer, and it's easy content to showcase online if you run out of ideas about what to share. So go to glamhairus.com/survey, or I'm going to share the link below as soon as I get off this training. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. This is Ask Me Anything with Gina Scalpone every Monday evening at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you would like to be hosted, let me know. Send me a private message or comment below and just say, hey, I got a question for you. I want to be hosted on your Ask Me Anything show. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. I will catch you next time.